The hottest new development in Naples has just been announced and is going on sale next week. Let's talk about it today. But if you're new to this channel, my name is Mindy Sylvester. I've been selling real estate in the Naples area for over 26 years. I've sold over 150 new construction homes. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. And hey, if you like this video, do me a favor, just hit that like button. I would appreciate it. Okay, let's talk about this new development. I went to a Realtor VIP event on Friday and I'm really excited to tell you about it. But first, don't go to the builder website and log in because if you do that, then I cannot represent you. And guess what? The builder pays my compensation, and if you don't have an agent, they don't give you a credit. So it only benefits you to have me represent you as your agent so that I can help you make these very important decisions that will get you the maximum return on your investment when you go to resell. So many people go at this alone. They don't understand the importance of having their own agent. The agent that's at that sales center, they represent the builder. So again, the builder pays for you to have your own representation. So please contact me if you're interested, and I will connect you with my contact at the builder's office. Okay, so let's talk about this new development. I'm really excited about this, you guys. It's a little bit different than the other developments that are really popular right now. And I think it's going to be absolutely amazing. It is called Opus Stone, and it is a collaboration between Pulte Homes and Seagate Development. And there are only going to be 51 home sites. So I think it's going to sell pretty quickly. The first six homes get $50,000 towards design credits. So you definitely want, if you're thinking about it, we want to get moving on this right away, even though they haven't started selling until February 23rd. They have their grand opening on March 4th. But if you have interest, let's get you the information immediately so that you can be one of those first six and get the $50,000 incentive. That will be huge towards your design options. So first, let's talk about the location. The location is situated in the Vanderbilt 951 area in North Naples. What I think is really unique about this community is that all of the home sites are half an acre. So very large home sites. I mean, there are developments right now that are doing like 39 feet wide lots, 39-foot wide lots. Um, a lot of the lots are, at the most, like even the bigger homes are 60 feet wide. So the fact that you're going to have a half an acre is going to be so nice. There are no amenities in this community. That is, something if you're looking for a resort type neighborhood, this is not going to be the community for you. I have a lot of other communities that are great for that. So contact me and I'll give you the information on that. But this type of community is really for people, probably people who live here year round, but not necessarily, but maybe just people who really don't enjoy doing a lot of community activities. Maybe they go to their own gym or own spa, but also they're really kind of making the homes inclusive of all of those things. These are larger homes that are going to have their own home gym and their own movie theater room, their own putting green, very large lots. You can kind of make it your own private paradise. The HOA fees are going to be $443 a month, and there is no CDD. Pulte is going to have 9 floor plans that start just under 3,000 square feet and go to over 5,200 square feet. The base price is starting at 1.299 and going up from there. I don't have information on lot prices yet. I don't believe they have that information yet, but that is something I will be getting as soon as possible. Here's one of the things I love is that they have different elevations. So, well, most All developments have different elevations, so that way the neighborhood doesn't look exactly like it's not completely cookie cutter. They'll have two or three different elevations that, maybe you have the Sereno model, but there'll be three different elevations. So there are a lot of Sereno models within the community, but they all don't look alike from the outside. Does that make sense? They all don't look alike. Okay, it's Monday morning. I'm having trouble talking today. They have the farmhouse elevation, the modern elevation, and the coastal elevation. And I'm absolutely in love with the farmhouse elevation. In love. It is so unique. And I'm so excited that a builder is finally doing that in Naples, where I have a cabin in Georgia. So many of the homes are this farmhouse style, and it's just such a gorgeous home. And I am so happy someone is finally doing that in Naples. What they're doing is using floor plans from other communities, the Aventura, the Oakley, the Madeira, and the Layton. And then they have like the Aventura Grand, the Layton Grand, the Madeira Grand. Those all have a second floor loft, which is what most people are using for movie rooms, entertainment rooms. Also, a lot of the floor plans will have casitas. So that would be great to use for like an in-law suite, teenager suite, home office, home gym, really cool floor plans that are really popular in other communities. They are not holding or reserving lots like a lot of communities do because there are only 51 lots. When you decide, you will go in for a pricing appointment and you will price out the upgrades, the structural upgrades, pick out your lot, then you will make your first deposit. Your first deposit is just $10,000 and that is due at signing. The second installment is due after 15 days and that is 20% of the structural options, the base price, and the lot price. And the third installment is 20% of design options, including pool. And you do design your own pool. So that is the basic information that we have right now. Like I said, contact me and I will get you more information about this wonderful new community. I think you're going to be hearing a lot about it. I wish they had more space. I wish they had more some home sites because I think the half an acre, just having your own space is going to be really desirable and going to sell very well in this market. So let me know if you have any questions. I appreciate you watching. I hope this was helpful for you and I hope to talk to you and get you in this beautiful new community. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.